Alright folks, so I went and got some help. We got their lines hooked up, everybody's good. So there's no excuse now, alright? So Dai got her rod out, and as you can see it's in the water, it's out there. She all happy now, I think she's some fisher woman. Alright? Still showing them green nails. Brandon from Clarendon, he might fish the old fashioned way. He just use a piece of nail and a piece of string. Old fashioned way of fishing. Old fashioned way. Yeah folks, you can see the ocean out there. See lots of people fishing over here. Sir, if you're good? Relaunch again. And I tell you, this shit take hours, man. Your ass could be here for several hours without catching shit. Toss out in the rod. You guys got something? Nah? Bad, not a thing. Bad day to fish today, folks. Nobody catching anything. Hey, look, man, I ain't here to pass nothing, okay? I'm just here to film. You know, this thing is a patience game, this year. Wait and all rascal out there.
Thank you. Everyone.
Brandon, you good? It's die, but there's a sit down. Oh shit, Brandon look like him catch something. False alarm, my youth. I remember off the worm, which one? So let's see, it still got the worm on it. Damn. That fish eat half of that worm and disappear. So sir, if you're good, sir.
Get some swim around, eh?
You better go name some saltfish like that, because no fresh fish up.
Come on, the swim around them, call them from come up see and also.
Come up see, shit. I tell you, they better go get some saltfish, folks. Ain't no fresh fish. Rod way up now the rotted ear. Cut round so. Yeah, it's getting dark, folks, as you can see. It's all a learning experience. Back to Dai. Diane, remember I saying that when you feel the line shake, you know, or jerk, if you haul it in, you know. If you reel it in. I'd rather be playing football or cricket down to this ras fishing here. Hell no. this again. You're free to tie up the hands of my youth. So next segment, this is Dan, you want to try with that side up? You want to try behind you? Yeah, that guy had fish behind you. Yeah, it's the ocean too. Hello? So surf, I wait patiently. Meanwhile, the fish folks are going to look at this fishing vessel coming down. And one boat towing the other one. Did it break or something? And they hope to own at least 2 of those. What the fuck is this now? What the hell did they do? The hell, folks? Police on the water. Hell is all that? You keep on changing worm, they keep on eating off your worm. Keep on eating off your worm and disappear.
One like me, one like me.
No, it's cloudfish. People, don't see catch one fish. Holy shit! It looks like, hey, it's about as big as my finger. It's about as big as my finger.
Yeah? That's why police ain't coming us a while ago. Take a picture.
Folks, look at this fish.
Yeah, take a picture.
You want a photo? You fish it, you pass it right there, man. You're good, man. So the Shane catch a fish, folks. Ready? So Prody want to take a photo of his fish. Ready? Alright, after 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Folks, he caught a fish. Yes, sir. But you still go eat saltfish tonight. That one fish they can't make no salting. Diane, your turn, you know. Throw back in the water, man. You want our next one?
We only done a video, that's all I'm going to do. Some WhatsApp. Wait, so this have let go back in the sea.
Yeah, man, throw back in I see.
Watch that shit now. Watch.
Touch one out.
Let's roll on punch.
Nice catch. Alright. So Shane, it's not a video, man. Oh, I'm gonna stop it. Here. Send it back again. Just hold on, just touch any part of it.
No man, see circle, man.
Alright. Hold on for the circle. Alright, you ready? Ready?
Yeah, people. It's our first one.
Well, baby fish.
Yeah.
You watch your finger on the bars. That's something like when your finger, you're done. Alright, Die, you're still out there, struggle. Should have just stopped.
That's it.
Die, you still not catch nothing.
That's all still there, you know.
Come there, man. Give me.
The video, man, it just stopped, man. You said keep on pressing, right? I press it.
I don't know if you're done. Yeah,
Alright.
you're done.
Eh?
Penetrate your
You say catch and let go. Yeah, man. So the Shane I got throw back out again. Just catch a baby sprat a while ago. Have mercy upon it and let it go. I go try again.
Send him back in the water for calling him. Listen me. Make sure you go that one and make him call him woman.
Call him mama and daddy.
And then more. No picking it.
Folks, slowly but surely, I'm gonna try. To Mr. Brandon again. Mr. Brandon a haul, like my haul in a goat. How much salvage must buy tonight, Brandon? Cause you know I catch no fresh fish tonight, you know. I go buy saltfish. I will go buy the tin ackee from the store. One want Spoutry, one want Grace or Spoutry, and one want Linstead Market Aki.
Now we need to buy.
You know, it's a question. If you see a person, you have to wonder if it's a man or a woman. Trust me. Conversation is over. So Red Bull and Dragon.
Buy bread and wine.
Bread and wine. So we're going to name fry fish and bread and drink wine. Come like a Jesus and his disciple them. Got bread and drink wine. That go cast out again. My you hook your head. My you hook off your glass off of your eye.
Oh, they're from the right way.
Yeah, man. Right, good. Remember, you need to push that back now. There you go. Alright.
Get something for Brandon. Get something for Brandon.
Right, that'll be. It's Brandon. I do him thing the old fashioned way. You don't know. Real Rastaman way. But for them Rastaman that you whip, you that dead for and get to Ras. Because them man you not catch no fish. Man you go a sea from morning and come back. Sir, if you're good over this, sir. Well, relax. Well, relax. So, climbing that man and plowed man. Plowed man, he get one little sick a while again, but I have to dash away. Man from Clarendon and I go eat nothing tonight to blood clear. You Diane, you better go do some green man go eat because you know I catch nothing tonight. Yeah, they cook dinner already. Oh, so you have dinner already, my youth. So you're good then.
We always prepared.
So you're dead for tomorrow then.
Different day tomorrow.
Different day tomorrow. Hey, the shade. You see the but you call there a while ago we are coming. The drunk of them. You see them young so? You must see drunk of them. One whole heap of drunk to blood clean. Alright people. There, you know, them do them little thing. So it's like a learning experience thing, you know, everybody they are looking, we are learning, you know. So I don't see anybody catching anything tonight, not just us. Everybody is not catching anything, but you know, we're gonna come back again tomorrow. When you say next Saturday, right? Yo, next Saturday? Yeah man, so where I come from early, man. Early out. Carry some food and some juice and thing, you know? Early out thing. Alright? Alright, so folks, I'll catch you guys next Saturday. Alright, look more. One love.